Hello and welcome to Excel Remix. So in this video we will discuss how to prevent cell content overflow in Excel. So let's begin. When you write a long text in a cell, the cell contents overflow to the next cell, and if you enable wrapping text for this cell, the row height will be changed for this cell. So if you want to prevent cell content from overflowing to other cells without affecting row height, just follow this method. First, select the list, right click your mouse button, select Format Cells from the context menu. From the Format Cells dialog box, under the Alignment tab, select Fill from the horizontal drop-down menu and click OK. Now you can see all cell contents are not overflowing to next cells. Thanks for watching my video. Subscribe to my channel for more information.